The blind bag Pokemon skate decks. The nostalgia of this video is about to be real. First off, we gotta go get them, so let's go catch them all. Yo, this packaging is sweet. Let's go ahead and teleport home and see which one we got. This is about to get intense. We're gonna need me an energy drink. That is right. Check this out. We made it back home. Look at the reflective on this, man. This is looking insane. On the front half, we do have the blind bag skate bag, and they had my name on it. Shout out to Minus Skate Shop. But here's all your chances, everything you have opportunity to get. And the cool thing is, this is actually completely sealed. Like, it's actually sealed. It's not a bag. They sealed it up, so it's a complete blind bag, and I'm so excited for that. But let's go ahead. Let's see which one we got. We're hoping for the Golden Charizard. That would be amazing. If you guys did buy these decks, let me know what you got. Alright, we got the table set up, we got our scissors ready, we're about to figure out what we're about to grab right here. We're going to see exactly what we get. Like I said, we want the Charizard, but now it's the moment of truth. That's right, we're going to break this nice packaging, and here we go. Let's go ahead and get one side on here, and let's open it up. You ready? You guys ready? Alright, here it is, moment of truth. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Here it is, here it is. Oh, alright, please be a golden deck. Please be golden. I know they're very rare, but if we get a golden one, man, this is going to be absolutely nuts. All right, you guys are going to see. Oh, I forgot. It's wrapped. It's wrapped. There's the first thing. It comes with this little wrapping. As you open up, look at that. The board is still wrapped. Now the pretty paper here is gone. The pretty paper here is completely gone. So you can see this. On to the next. Here's the reality of it. All right, I'm going to get my scissors again. We're going to open this. Come on now. Come on. Nope. There's that. Oh, I love that. It feels like Christmas, guys. It feels like Christmas. It's definitely feeling like a kid all over again, considering it is Pokemon. And they've really wrapped it up super nice here. Super nice. There's that. And finally, we got a bunch of tape on here. And finally, let's get this last one taken care of, all opened up. Man, they really wrapped this up good. All right, which one is it? Which one is it, guys? I know on the, oh, this is so cool. So freaking cool. You guys can't see it that well, but on my, up here you can. All right, moment of truth. You guys are seeing it the exact same time I am. Which one is it? Which one is it? Oh, what is that? Oh, Blastoise. Or Blastoise, I think that's what his name is. Look at that, Blastoise. So it's not the smallest guy, but there it is. We ended up getting Blastoise. I think that's what his name is. Sorry if I messed his name up, but that is freaking sweet, man. Look at the coloring on this. This is awesome. I'm actually super hyped we were able to grab this one. It's actually gonna go right up here on this wall. It's gonna take over one of my Supreme decks. The cool thing about these boards was the gold ones were actually 50 a piece around the world. There was 5 of them, so there are 250 gold boards out there. If you got a gold board, you consider yourself very lucky. I know some people are selling those for a lot, but that's an awesome collectible item, and congratulations on securing yourself a golden board. I'm super excited. I pulled the Blastoise. That's right. You can see the Pokemon as you zoom in there, Pokemon, and then of course this was Santa Cruz. Now this is the first time I bought anything from Santa Cruz, and I couldn't tell you how long, but I'm super happy they decided to do this blind bag concept. It just brings back that nostalgia, that childhood. I played a ton of Pokemon back on my Game Boy. We had the big cartridge game, so you'd have like this big cartridge, you'd put it in and you'd play on your Game Boy. That was awesome. Before the Nintendo DS even, that's when I was playing this. And it's so cool to have this back up, and so I'm going to throw it up on the wall. Now, I don't really collect Pokemon anymore. I have a full box full of cards, but this is just really cool. And now I can actually show it on display all the time, and I'm super excited for it. I mean, if you see this, this is so clean. Look at that. Now, I know you won't see this if you're actually skating it, but this is still a really cool feature of this. I'm overall happy I got this collector's piece. If you manage to grab these are awesome collector's pieces. I'm holding on to it, not like I'm a huge collector like I said earlier, but it's something cool. Thank you again, Minus, for having the blind bag, and I'm super happy I hit. Like I said earlier, let me know if you grabbed one of these. If you did grab one of these, did you open it up, or are you just gonna wait? Are you gonna try to sell it as a collector's piece, or what's going on with it? But if you did open them, let me know which one you got. But guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick little fun vlog. I want to take you guys along with me because, I don't know, it was cool. A lot of you guys showed up on the live stream. So we brought you guys with us to Minus Skate Shop, and we completely reviewed it and blind bag tested it with you guys. You guys saw it the same time I did, so I was super excited for Blastoise. But guys, thank you for being here. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out of here. Peace.